This was literally the first clip of the day. Just getting out there. Had only rode the bike for about 10 minutes. Whipped out the camera. And then this happened. Walk of shame. I think she might have let go, boys. I think she might have blew up. We'll see. Yep, she blew up. Well, the top end let go, pretty sure, because everything still seems smooth and stuff, but I don't think you're supposed to be able to do this. Okay? It's supposed to have a little more compression than that. It is what it is. I'll pull the pipe off when I get home and stuff and see how bad it is in there. You know, have to get a new cylinder, a new piston probably. Maybe the cylinder is okay, but it's the second time I reuse that cylinder without getting it fixed, so that could have been the problem, but it is what it is. She gave me a few hours of good service. I rebuilt it myself last time, so I'll do it again. And it is what it is. What a special Christmas present to myself, right? Because it is a Christmas Eve. I was going riding Christmas Eve day. And this is my present to myself, I guess. So, at least I got to ride it for a little bit before it happened. But we'll inspect the damage and we'll rebuild it and we'll film it all. And I do have a bunch of new parts I'm getting from Santa for this thing. I was excited about getting them, but now we got to worry about a rebuild. But still, we'll put those parts on and rebuild it. It ain't no thing. All right, I need to load this thing up and get home and do some other stuff. It is Christmas Eve. Got to be with the family. Just wanted to go for a little rip. But yeah, that's what happens when you go riding on Christmas Eve, I guess. You blow up your stuff.
Is your dog okay?
I think so. It's hotter than a hoochie coochie in here.
That's what I tried to tell them.
All right, it's Christmas Day. Just wanted to show off my stuff that I got. Got some new spoons for changing the tire. Got a bead buddy to help put the tire on. Some new rim lock nuts just to fancy up the wheels a little bit. New tube and tire. Got a whole cleaning kit for the bike. Comes with all kinds of stuff. Got some new gloves for my father-in-law. Hooked it up. Some rags. Brand new handlebars. Because the ones on the bike right now are a little bent. They've been like that since I bought it. Some risers, new bar pad, grips. Nice little anodized gas cap. It's mint. Can't wait to get all this stuff on. It's gonna be sick. You know, sucks we blew up the bike, but it is what it is. But I do have something here which might save us. When I rebuilt the bike, I had another set of rings that I saved, and they're still good. So if we're lucky, I might have just lost the rings, but we'll have to see. In another video, we'll pull that thing apart and see how bad the damage is, and assess it, get what we need. Maybe it'll just be these, hopefully, and we'll fix that bad girl. This is all my new stuff. Just wanted to show it off. Oh yeah, and my new drill bits and screwdrivers my father-in-law got me. Mint. Yes, nice, nice. Really excited about the bars. Finally get them to the right height and how I like them and stuff. I also got some other presents, you could call them, that I have to open up here. A little bit of the package, if you will, that one of my buddies sent me. We'll crack that open and see what we got. All right, these packages are from my good buddy Garen, Gearhead. Sent me some stuff. See there? Gearhead. Yeah, long story about that. Anyways, let's crack this baby open, see what we got. Me and Garen been friends for a long time. Long time. Oh shit. Whole bunch of Decnals. Oh, sick. Oh, I see a little something in there. Oh, oh. I like kind. Oh, Pokemon, my son's gonna love that. Just a bunch of Decnals that are fucking sick. Oh, I love stickers. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Sick. I love stickers. I know there's something good in this box. This was my Bertha Words present. Oh shit. Oh, see that? You see it. Always the Carhartt. Oh, and a couple more Decnals. A little Cleater Decnal. That's good stuff. Thanks, buddy. You know you're the fucking man. That's awesome. Gearhead knows what's up. Tons of Decnals. He likes the guns, I know that. A couple gun Decnals and different things. Sick. Thanks, buddy. I love that kind. Big time. Sick. Oh, yeah, I gotta show that one more time. If you don't know, now you know. Man, this thing's dirty. I didn't even get to ride it that long. Jesus. Anyways, pull this pipe off real quick, shine the light down her throat, see if I could see any damage. Check it out. Obviously, when we go to take it apart, we'll clean it and stuff, especially with my new bike cleaning kit I got. We'll shine her up real good. You know, she's still got to be treated nice, even though she's hurt. Get this thing off. I can only cross my fingers and hope that it's not so bad. But we'll see. Oh yeah, and Merry Christmas to everybody. Hope everybody's having a good one. Good Christmas day and stuff. I hope everybody has a good New Year. And hopefully 2024 is a good year for everybody. Boy. Let's see, is there anything rattling around? I hear a little something. Uh-oh. That ain't good. A little bit of something out of there. Can't tell if it's piston or what. Yep, chunk of something. Hopefully you can see that. Not good. Oh boy. Well, definitely gonna need a new piston. Clean off the spot. See if I can get shot. Dang. This thing is bored and sleeved. It's a bigger piston, and I've always wanted to put it back to stock. I guess this will be my chance, but let's see if I can get shot. She's a bit crusty. God, hard to get the shot. You get the gist. So, I mean, the cylinder, from what I can see, doesn't look too bad, but the piston is definitely ate up. And I don't know where that piece, there it is. I mean, that's got to be a piece of piston. Well, that's fucking mint. It's all good though. We'll get new parts and rebuild her. She'll be good as new. Everything else feels smooth. It's just, you know, it burned up the piston. But that's it for this video. We'll definitely be doing the tear down and showing all the carnage and what really went down, and then we'll get new stuff and we'll make a video of rebuilding it. So, Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos if you want to. Have a good night.
Look at this guy.